In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a page link from WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or someone just getting started, knowing how to easily and quickly access your page links can save you time and effort. So let's dive in and guide you step by step through this simple process. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is your main destination for managing the backend of your WordPress site. Once you're there, you'll notice the option to log in, which you'll need to do to access your website's dashboard. Go ahead and click on that login button. If you're not already signed in, don't worry, it's a pretty straightforward process. After you click login, you'll be presented with a few options to sign in. For ease and speed, you can simply click on the continue with Google button. This option is especially convenient since it lets you log in using your Gmail account credentials, making the process smooth and secure. Now, if you have multiple Google accounts, you'll see a list of these accounts. This is where you'll choose the Google account that's associated with your WordPress site, so make sure you pick the right one to proceed seamlessly. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. From here, our focus is to locate the page whose link you want to copy. To do this, look for the Pages tab. It should be prominently displayed, and clicking on it will take you to the section where all your site's pages are listed. As the page loads, you'll see all the pages that you have published, drafted, or scheduled. To get the link for a specific page, hover your mouse over the title of the page in question. This action typically reveals a set of additional options related to the page. Among these revealed options, there's one that says Copy Link. This is the magic button that allows you to get the link to your page effortlessly. Click on Copy Link, and just like that, the link is copied to your clipboard. Now you can paste it wherever you need, whether that's in an email, a blog post, or a social media update. By following these easy steps, you can streamline the process of sharing your WordPress pages, which is vital for promoting content and improving accessibility. With a little practice, getting page links will become second nature to you, helping you maintain an efficient workflow on your site. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to get your page links from WordPress. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful WordPress tips and tricks.